What's going on, guys? So I'm sure you can tell by the title and thumbnail of this video, but I think we're selling Betty White tomorrow, and I've honestly got a lot of emotions going on. I'm sad, but I'm also excited. So I've been hinting around at the possibility of selling this truck, getting a used F-150 or a new F-150, a refreshed Silverado or Sierra, or maybe going back to the previous body style. A lot of different options, even though in this crazy world that we're living in, there's not a lot of trucks out there necessarily for sale, or if they are, they're overpriced. But I had decided, you know what, we're going to go ahead and throw it up on Facebook. Y'all saw we sold Terry on Facebook like last week. I decided we're going to go ahead and throw up the Silverado as well. We'll put it at a price that I'm comfortable and willing to sell the truck at, and just stick to our guns. If someone buys it, great. If not, then oh well. Also thought I had quite a bit of time before I needed to make a decision on what truck I was going to get next. We'll get into that in a little bit. I threw the truck up on Marketplace. I had a lot of people interested, obviously, a lot of low balls, a lot of fair offers on the truck, but like I said, I'm gonna stick to my guns. In the grand scheme of the whole price, $1,000, not that much difference, but you know, if I can say, oh hey, I'm not in a real rush to sell it, and they come up $1,000, and that's instant $1,000 no brainer, right? So I've been telling people I was firm on my price, right? Well, I get a phone call today from a dealership that I had placed a reservation on a truck at, saying, hey, we need you to come in. It's time to start speccing out your truck that you're gonna buy, right? So I'm like, oh crap, maybe I do need to sell this thing right now, because obviously I need this gone before I can go buy a brand new truck. I'm not balling like that. I can't have this and another brand new truck. It's not happening. So I went back on Facebook. I marked my truck back down $1,000, right? And the guy that had hit me with the $2,000 less offer messaged me and said, hey, I'm still interested in your truck. I messaged him and said, hey, let's make it happen. So he calls me. He's actually some dealer from Texas, and he's flying out an employee tomorrow to meet me at the bank to buy Betty White. But I've got so many emotions going on because I absolutely love this truck, right? Great looking truck. It performs great. It's comfortable. 6.2's got a bunch of power, gets pretty good fuel economy. Like I said, the truck looks good. This is just a great daily driver truck. Super comfortable. I enjoy it every single day that I drive it. But in this YouTube world that I live in, I need to consistently make more content, and I'm kind of at the same spot I was with Baby Squat. There's not much support at all in the aftermarket for these trucks performance-wise, and I don't really have a desire to lift this truck. I vacuumed it out, cleaned it out on the inside, everything in here looking pretty right, dude. So I guess I'm about to go spit shine it in preparation for tomorrow. I feel confident he's gonna meet me. We'll have to see. I'll catch up with y'all tomorrow. All right, guys, well, today is the day. I'm headed to the bank right now. I'm literally 4 minutes away. Honestly, kind of feeling pretty sad, just almost like a little bit of regret before even doing this, but yeah, I guess it's happening. This is real. And it's also insane because if we look at my time hop, which I checked this morning, 1 year ago today, I sold Baby Squat. What are the odds I'm selling this truck the day 1 year later that I sold my last truck? So I've owned this truck like 1 week shy of a year. I'm a little unfamiliar with how this is gonna go. All the vehicles that I've sold to individuals, I've had the title to. A couple of vehicles that I didn't have the title to, I traded in. So I don't really know, because this is not, where the loan is on this truck is not the bank that I bank at. So I'm assuming that he'll wire, he said he's gonna wire the money, wire it the full amount that I'm selling the truck for. They'll take the portion that will then clear the title that is owed to them, and then cut me a check for the remainder, or wire that to my bank. Gonna be driving around in the Sierra until we get something else. So a lot of emotions. I'm honestly kind of sad. I wasn't thinking I was going to, because I was like, I'm not as attached to this truck as I was Baby Squat. I'm gonna be fine. But here, day of fixing to make the deal happen, I'm a little sad, but we're gonna go through with it. We'll see. I'll update y'all with any issues or whatever the case, whatever comes up. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Y'all, it's official. We're getting everything figured out. A little craziness with the bank stuff. Have to do the wire to Regions, then get a cashier's check to take to Wells Fargo, because I don't have an account with Wells Fargo, so that was a little wonky. But dude, it's happening. Betty White is going to a new home today. I'm a little sad, not gonna lie. Like I keep saying, dude, waiting on the wire to go through. Betty White, Gonna be on the road, new owner. There she goes, boys. Dunzo. Day 1, Sierra on daily duties. All right, guys, well, it is officially day number 1 without the Trail Boss, and Chomper the Sierra is officially on daily duty, which Knox is pumped about it. He loves riding in this truck because it's like a new truck that he hasn't gotten to ride in really. But yeah, so far so good. Hopefully the Sierra treats me right over the next couple weeks or months or however long it's gonna be until we get a new truck, which I'm really undecided on that. Do we go F-150? Do we go refresh Sierra, refresh Silverado, previous gen? Do I want to go for the 6.2 again? Do I want to stick with the 5.3 because that's a more popular engine option that more people have? Do we want to try out the 3-liter diesel? I'm not doing the 2.7, I know that for a fact. I don't know, man, I don't know. I really want an F-150 because I want to go supercharged fast truck. But at the same time, I'm like, I love my Chevrolets and I love my GM products. I already know I missed some things out of the Trail Boss, like my stereo. I'm gonna have to upgrade that because Knox likes listening to certain music on the way to school, but I can't hook my phone up, so I gotta definitely get a new head unit for sure. But yeah, undecided, kind of want to go 2 different routes. I've got a appointment at the dealership Monday to possibly pre-order a truck or order a truck. I don't know if I want to go the more premium route like I did with the Trail Boss, a lot of options, 6.2, or go the more everyday Joe route with, a more basic truck, kind of like Baby Squat was. Kind of undecided. Y'all let me know. I don't know when this video will come out, but I guess we're going to end the video off just having a recap of the last year's worth of ownership with the Trail Boss. Some good things, some bad things, but overall, absolutely love the truck. Let's recap ownership of my 2021 Silverado Trail Boss 6.2. Hey guys, super excited for this video. We are potentially getting a new truck on the channel, and this has been a really quick turnaround, honestly, from selling the truck to getting the truck. I am beyond excited right now. About y'all, I'm a little curious if this thing will do a burnout. Yeah, she will. Do y'all hear that? I think I just dropped the lifter. I genuinely think, dude, this thing's done. It's a pressing sight. Daggone. Old Trail Boss, 5,000 miles and riding a rollback. We got a brand new tire on the market, and I am super appreciative that Nitto sent me out a set to test out, review, and showcase for y'all. And so let's check them out. We got the brand new Nitto Recon Grappler AT. And for an AT, these things are freaking sick. I'm usually a mud tire kind of guy. But dude, check them out. Look at the sidewall on these things. Super aggressive sidewall. But we'll do a little walk around and stuff. It is a beautiful, beautiful day out here. Nice 75 degrees. But I think this looks so much better than the stock tires. That was a million times better. 60. Much better. Did it jerk you back?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was good. Floor it. That was good. That felt good. That was the first time I've been in here for like a acceleration.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
All right, guys, well, here she is rocking the Ready Left SST 2.0 in the front and stock in the rear. And honestly, I'm really enjoying it. It's pretty much perfectly level. And I think it complements this wheel and tire setup very nicely. This made it all worth it. It was fun, but it wasn't super fun. But now, dude, up here, it's worth the trip just to experience this. We have officially made it home, and it is time to pressure wash this thing and see. Hopefully we didn't, cause any big scratches or anything. There's some nice scratches through the mud. Hopefully not in it. Look at how bad it rubbed today, dude. Yes, sir. Come on, baby. That's right. That's right. Yeah, this looks absolutely insane. Up here on top of the mountain. Probably gonna get yelled at any second now, but we're just keeping it rolling. Looks insane.